Well, good day, folks. This is your boy Ferris Deloney, and I am coming to you live. I'm not gonna make this long. One of the things that you're going to see with this system that is like none other, one, they come with their own capture page. Well, our team is. It's coming with its own capture page, own postcards. It's 99 cents to start up. And let's reverse. Let's reverse it. This is not the system that they're going to be using. The system that they have is real sexy. And it's going to be free to the people who join the system and join the team to help push the business. Now, if you don't have a big budget to start out with, don't worry. Just go in, work the Forex side, and get basically what you need to get paid and to do your promotions. Now, the reason why I'm making this page in front of this, making this video in front of this capture page is because at this time nothing has been released yet, as of yet, but it's coming. Now you can check out the video and the presentation on the other page and get in line and get put on my email list, and I will send a note out to you and let you know when and what time this thing is going to jump off, because the Forex market, I've been seeing a lot of people have life-changing moments with the Forex market. I was watching the show on the Family Channel, ABC Family. I think that's what it's called now. It may have changed itself, but either way it goes, the story of it is one of them is suddenly rich, and they go through all these people who have gotten, major, windfalls, either through being a viral video star on YouTube or finding paintings. Well, there's one cat. He was a young guy, and I think it was he's actually was a teenager, and old enough to hit the markets, and he made a trade, and in 15 minutes he made $90,000. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen to everybody. That's just a luck of the draw, a wild pick. And he put, I think he said he put like $400 down, and 15 minutes later he had like $90,000 from that one trade that he had made. It's called Suddenly Rich. Look it up. But I tell you this, if you work one half of the business, the other half will follow up. And that's all I gotta say. I'm not gonna hype this up. It's 99 cents to start off when it jumps off. You can look at the video and see what they're gonna offer. And it's based off of Matrix, and the guy that I'm under is, well, two guys that I'm under are major league players in the network marketing game, and it's going to be spillover. And I'm not going to allow you to just daydream off of the spillover that you're going to be getting, because you still have to qualify for that spillover. So, two, you would want to get your system free anyway. You got to refer 3 people, get it free, and that eliminates the bill. But 3 is so close to having none that you're gonna still want to recruit more. Why would you want to stop? And then 2, you could possibly, once you start building up and once the money start coming in, get another position. I would suggest it for the affiliate side. The reason is so that you can hit, if you're gonna be making $1 million, what's wrong with making you making $2 million? And that's not nothing scammy. It's just you paying for something else in another position through an EIN that you may have, or you may buy your kids a position up in a company and let them get paid, because I know, Lord, my daughter. Suppose today that I just saw, she's always in my pocket. And when your kids ask you, so you get paid this week, right? I was like, and then you have to look at them like they're crazy. That's a meme. And she needs a job, baby. But we all know that we know have kids like that, or we may have been. I wasn't a kid like that. I've been working since I was 14. Anyway, I've been talking too long. One of you guys, be blessed and not stressed, motivated by success. Look at the video down below, and yeah, don't miss this. Please don't.